going on the way to Kangaroo Valley. Now how's this for death and destruction?
Just let them down. It's a shame, baby, but I always know just the way you're gonna do. Oh no, just a psychotic girl. Everything was all right.